Hello boys, how are you? Good morning. Today we start our lesson that is measuring length and volume. Okay, and we measure the length different materials, but when we find the length, then the object that we are going to measure the length, it should be in state. Okay, if it is bend or curve shape, then the value will not correct. Okay, maybe some mistake. For this, the object should be straight, then you measure the length. Okay, and we measure the length in different units. For example, it is centimeter, meter, or kilometer. Okay, but the standard unit of length is meter. Okay, we find it in meters. And if someone give you in any unit, and we change this from one unit to another unit. Okay, and when we go to from small unit to big unit, we divide. And when we go to from big unit to small unit, then we multiply with the difference. For example, the difference between meter and kilometer is 1000, and the difference between centimeter and meter is 100, and the difference between centimeter and millimeter, that is 10. Okay, this you must be know the units. Okay, and then we find here volume. Volume, we find two kinds of object. One is regular object, one is irregular object. When we find the volume of regular solid object, then we need three things. One is length, width, and height. Okay, this is formula of volume: height, length, and width. And this, when we find this you must be acknowledge and understand the three unit should be same. For example, this centimeter, this centimeter, and this centimeter. This is a cube. Okay, and cube has all length same, so the height, width, and length are same, 10. Okay, but you must be check this centimeter, this is in centimeter, and this is in centimeter. For example, one is meter, one is centimeter, one is millimeter. No, that is wrong. It should be in same units. Okay, other thing, you know the volume. uh, this is some mistakes that you do during the calculation. Okay, and this mistake you should be corrected. And when we write the answer, we write here centimeter cube, or if it is in meter, here meter cube, of it is in millimeter, here millimeter cube. Why cube? Because we have three sides, three lengths. Okay, and this is cube, we put here cube. Okay, this is the volume of regular solid object. Now next we find the volume of irregular solid object. First of all, you take the measuring cup, where here is reading, you can read, and then you take some liquid water inside it. Then after this, you put or dip the solid object that is you want to measure the volume of that object. Here when you put the liquid, then you find the value. That value is called initial value. And then you dip the solid object, then you find the again reading of this on the cup, measuring cup. Okay, then next step, this value is called final value, this value is called initial value. And when you find the volume, that is final value minus initial value, and the difference is your answer. For example, here initial value is 10, and when you dip this solid object inside, then its value become 15. Okay, what is the difference between final value and initial value? 15 minus 10 is 5. That is your volume. Okay, now here this two measuring cylinder, here milliliter, first you take this cylinder, then you put this liquid inside it. At this time you look the value of this 600 milliliter. Okay, now you note this value. After this you dip this irregular object inside the water. Okay, then you find the, look here, the value is 800. Now what is the difference between two final value and initial value is 200 milliliter. Okay, this is our volume of the irregular object, but this will be milliliter cube. Okay, because we measure volume in cube. So here the volume of this solid object is 200 milliliter cube. Okay, this is our topic today, and if you have any problem or anything, you can say next class. And homework I send you on the WhatsApp group. Okay, see you, bye bye, assalamu alaikum.